Here we have a 2017 17 plate Mercedes-Benz GLE 350D 4MATIC AMG Line Premium Plus. Now we do have 4 superb unscratched unmarked 21-inch alloy wheels. You have your LED headlights, the black Pan American style front grille. Now we do have the bonnet vents just up there as well. Black tack styling all over this car, so you do have the night pack. We have the black front splitter. We also have the black window trim. We have your black wing mirrors. Quick look at one of those superb alloy wheels. We have side steps on either side, the panoramic sunroof, privacy glass on the rear, power assisted rear tailgates from touch of a button on the key, as you can see just there. Front and rear parking sensors with 360-degree cameras, as you can see. Nice spacious sized boot in the back just there. You have your storage bin on the left hand side and a storage net on the right hand side. A very nice spacious sized boot. That's also power assisted back down again from a touch of a button. Now do you have the black strip along the boot just there as well, really finishing off the blacked out styling. Now this vehicle is free from any major marks, dents or scratches and really does look superb from every angle. Now I'm going to go to the rear and I'm going to give you a quick look at the interior of this vehicle. Now we do have the full leather seats throughout with the white stitch in the isofix point, pull down armrest, storage nets behind the passenger and the driver's seat with your electric windows, integrated speakers and your brushed metal trim. Going to the front, there's a look at the driver's front seat. Now both driver and passenger are fully electrically memory and also heated. We have the heated seat function in the centre, which I'll come to in a second. With your electric windows, electric power folding mirrors, and you also have your tailgate release button just there. Jumping inside, auto lights, keyless start, so foot on the brake, push the button and then the vehicle will then start. We have your multifunction steering wheel with your paddle shift on the rear for your car into manual mode. Just down here, you have your electric steering wheel adjustments and also your cruise control and speed limiter. As you can see, the vehicle is free 31 lights on the dashboard and has covered just over 35,280 miles. Coming over to the screen in the centre where you can see your satellite navigation. You have your media connectivity, so you do have your USB, media interface 1 and 2, and also your Bluetooth audio. You do have your DAB radio, your Bluetooth phone connectivity just there as well, where you can also find your Android Auto and also your Apple CarPlay. Pop car into reverse, you can see 360-degree cameras. That flickering on the screen is just the rolling shutter of the phone, so if I go closer it'll then stop. There's nothing to worry about, nothing that is affecting the car. It is just the phone that I'm filming on. Now you do have lots of different camera angles just there, as you do have the 360-degree camera angle. Now you do get to different drive modes, so you do have your slippery, your comfort, your sport and also your individual, which you can adapt all those settings to suit your driver preferences. I'm going to pop that back into comfort. Now I do have the Mattress Suspension, so you can raise the vehicle by pressing that button just there and it'll give you a little notification saying it is rising. Back over here we do have your 2 heated front seats just there, working how you'd expect it to. Dual zone climate control just there as well. You have your traction control on and off, your stop start and also your parking sensors. Pop this open, 2 nice size cup holders, 12-volt connectivity, and you have a bit of storage there and also in there. You have your DSR, which is down on the centre assist, put the car into manual mode. Press that button, it gives you some information up there. Nice cool feature to have. So currently if I press the brake harder, it will then give you percentage how hard you're pressing the brake. Give it a bit of a rev and you can see it goes up. Also gives you degree of turning angle you've got, and also if you're on a angle it gives you a degree of angle that you're also on. Cool bits of off-road information. Soft touch leather armrest with storage just underneath. There's a look at the passenger's front seat. Very comfortable seats indeed. Again, it is also memory. Looking up, panoramic sunroof, touch your button just there, it will then close and I'll show you the process of it closing so you know it works exactly how you would expect it to. Now I can also put it on tilt, blind will go back. That's currently closed, push up, it will then tilt, but pull again, and then the blinds will then also close. Nice decision to have. Now this vehicle is available to take away today with free contactless nationwide next day delivery. This HPI clear comes with a fresh service, new MOT, and we do offer competitive low finance. Thank you very much for watching. Video test drive of this 2017 Mercedes-Benz GLE 350D. Now the purpose of this video test drive today is to check that the vehicle is exactly how you would expect it to. Now as you can see, I'm not to find one steering wheel to keep it in a straight line. It's going straight and true, not veering off to the left or to the right hand side. Now I do have a multifunction steering wheel, paddle shift if we stay currently in manual mode. You also have your cruise control and speed limiter store just down there as well, next to your electric steering wheel adjustments. And around, I'm going to take a left as you would if you're test driving this vehicle today, and I'm going to take over the paddle shift. So currently I'm in automatic mode in 5th, drop it down to 4th, into 3rd, I'm slowing down due to a car pulled over at the side, so I'm going to drop down to 2nd, and I'm going to go to 3rd, into 4th, into 5th, and then I'm going to let the car take back over by simply just letting go. Now push the gear select down, it goes into automatic mode a bit quicker. Now I do have very comfortable seats throughout this vehicle. Now I do have the full leather. Now the front seats are fully heated electric and memory, and you can quite easily do 2, 3, even 400 miles in this vehicle and still get out feeling fresh. You have your integrated Harman Kardon speakers, which do sound absolutely incredible. We also have your screen just in the centre, where you can currently see your satellite navigation. You have your Bluetooth media and Bluetooth audio connectivity, your DAB radio, you also have Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and you also get 360 cameras on this vehicle, which is very useful for parking in any tight spaces, or if you're parallel parking up to a curb, saves you curbing those nice 21-inch alloy wheels. Now, if you're test driving this vehicle today, you'll be listening out for any wanting noises or any knocks or bangs. And if you're listening out during this test drive video, there hasn't been any. It is a very smooth driving car, thanks to even more thanks to the air suspension. It absorbs all the in the roads, all the speed bumps, all the potholes and whatnot, absorbs them very, very well. So right now I'm coming to the industrial state where I'm going to take a right, I'm going to perform an emergency stop, and then I'm going to pop it straight into reverse, just show the brakes work exactly how you would expect them to, and you'll see pop up on the centre screen the 360 cameras. So pulling into the industrial state right now, and I'll do the emergency stop in 3, 2, 1. Hard steady brakes, straight into reverse, no issues whatsoever. You can see the camera just there. When you change from the rear camera to the front camera, it changes on the screen there as well. Back into drive, again, no issues whatsoever. Now, if you're test driving this vehicle today, you'll be listening out for any wanted knocks or bangs. And if you're being listening out during this test drive video, there hasn't been any, which is a bonus. Now, if you haven't answered all of your questions and inquiries during this test drive and walk around video, please feel free to get in contact with the sales team, where they can answer questions and also run through some inquiries with you. But that's it for me in this walk around video. Test drive it, see you from you soon. Cheers.